gentlemen, we have just landed at Sayak Airport. Sunlight Air welcomes you to Siargao. Our local time now is 10 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning, and the outside temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before deplaning, please check the area around your seat pocket, and overhead bins to ensure that you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins as items inside might have shifted during the flight. We would like to invite you to visit sunlightair.ph for your future travel needs. On behalf of Sunlight Air and the entire crew headed by Captain Danes and First Officer Joes, together with your cabin crew June, Jipster, Robbie, Kel, and Justin, we thank you for flying with us today. It is our pleasure having you on board. We hope you had a seamless travel experience and we look forward to serving you on another Sunlight Air flight. Kalalapag lamang po natin sa baliparan ng sayang maligayang pagdating sa Siargao. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggat ang eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto at ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Siyasatin ang inyong kapaligiran para sa inyong mga kagamitang maaaring maiwan. Sa ngalan ng Sunlight Air sa pangunguna ni Kapitan Danes at unang official Joes, kami po ang inyong mga cabin crew June, Jipster, Robbie, Kel, and Justin na nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. Due to the weight and balance restrictions of this aircraft, passengers are requested to deplane by rows. We will deplane 2 rows at a time, starting at the back. Once on the ground, please follow the directions given by the ground staff leading to the terminal.